This is in Jammu and Kashmir. The State Investigation Agency, or the SIA, is carrying out raids in Jammu. These raids are being carried out at the head office of a newspaper in Jammu's Residency Road. The office of this particular newspaper, which is present in the press enclave in Srinagar, has been sealed by the administration. This was sealed back in 2020, but now there are some raids that are taking place. Going back to Ankit. Ankit, what do we know? What have agencies found out? What is the new information about this particular, newspaper whose office was sealed back in 2022? What has the SIA found? Tell us more about these raids.
The sources are telling that this is the same newspaper which was closed by the government administration in back 2020. What we are learning from our sources is that there has been a fresh FIR registered against this particular newspaper, allegedly having anti-India write-ups. Right now I am at this particular newspaper office, and you can see Jammu Kashmir police has been deployed over here. The SIA team is raiding this office from past 1 hour, and you can see the SIA team has totally locked this office, and this investigation is underway. What we are getting to know from our sources is that from last 1 hour the investigation is going on. The particular office is being seized by the SIA. SIA has been given the charge of this FIR, and the investigation by the SIA officers is being going on. The digital evidences, other documents are being checked by the SIA. Jammu Kashmir police has been deployed over here so that no one can enter this office. This is the same particular office which was seized and closed by the Jammu Kashmir administration in back 2020. Recently the FIR was registered against this particular newspaper for being write-ups against the India. Now the investigation
so the State Investigation Agency, Ankit, is carrying out raids in Jammu, and these are raids being carried out at the head office of Kashmir Times in Jammu's Residency Road. So office of Kashmir Times in press enclave in Srinagar was sealed by the administration in 2020. In the latest, Ankit is telling us that these raids have been ongoing for the last 1 hour. Once again, Ankit, if you could give us a full sense of what you're seeing around you, what did agencies find? What prompted this raid?
The agencies has recently registered a FIR. Right now the investigation is being carried out by the State Investigation Agency, which has the charge of this investigation. The total office premises has been sealed by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the SIA team. Right now the raids are being going on. The questions are being asked over here. The documents are being seen. The digital evidences are being seen. There has been an allegation for this newspaper that they have written anti-India content,
right,
for which the fresh FIR was being registered by the SIA, and the investigation is being underway.
Did the SIA manage to come across any kind of links of this particular newspaper when it's probing, when it is also probing the new module and the Delhi blast case? We will get our viewers more information on the same, but let's also shift our focus to the other aspect of this investigation. Remember, it was Umar Nabi's house that was demolished in Shopia, and now the founder and chancellor of Al Falah has been served a notice for illegal encroachment, and if sources are to be believed, then we are getting to know that JCB action on the founder's house may be next. So here we have information about how there could be bulldozer action because a notice has been served, and this will take place in Mau. The ED has entered the investigation. The ED has found out that how shell companies have also been linked to Al Falah. The money trail has come under the scanner. Going back to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, the focus is on multiple shady deals, and the financial nexus of Al Falah comes under the scanner. Now we know that the Chancellor of the university will face action. There is a notice that has been served to him and his residence, which is in Mau in Madhya Pradesh. The notice is that of illegal encroachment, and this action could take place soon. My colleague Bhavtosh will be joining us, but there are 3 breaking news aspects of this investigation as we are telling you. Number 1, 17 years ago, a key member of the Indian Mujahideen, a terrorist, Mirza Shadab Beg, was also part of Al-Falah. We broke the information first here on Times Now. Now we're getting you information about live raids that are underway in Jammu, and this is with regards to one newspaper. And now